Welcome to Beautyistic, where beauty meets expert insights. Let's talk about something you might not immediately associate with beauty: denture care. But if you're looking for a quick way to keep your dentures sparkling clean, today's product could be just what you need. Introducing the Medline Two-Sided Denture Brushes, designed to tackle the daily maintenance of your dentures with ease. Now, before we dive into the review, if you want more beauty-related tips and honest product reviews, be sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss out. Now, let's get into it. The Medline Two-Sided Denture Brushes come in a convenient pack of 144, offering great value, especially for anyone who needs to stock up on denture cleaning tools. These brushes feature firm plastic bristles and come with a large, multi-tufted brush head that is perfect for removing food particles and stains. But that's not all. There's also a smaller angle-trimmed brush head designed for the hard-to-reach areas around your dentures. When I first tried these brushes, I was impressed with how easy they were to incorporate into my routine. It's often the small details that make a big difference. And the dual-sided design really made cleaning feel more effective. The larger side did a fantastic job at sweeping away debris, while the smaller brush got into those tricky corners where food tends to hide. I appreciated how both sides felt sturdy, but gentle enough not to damage the surface of the dentures. I used them with my husband's dentures during our usual cleaning routine, and he mentioned that the brushes didn't feel too harsh, even on the delicate parts. Let's talk about the real-world usability. Strengths? The design is simple but efficient. The multi-tufted brush head makes cleaning large areas quick, and the smaller head ensures that no spot is missed. The firm bristles work well for removing tough stains and food particles without being too abrasive. It's not just about cleaning, but doing it right, and these brushes deliver that. On the flip side, the firmness of the bristles might not be ideal for everyone, especially for individuals with sensitive gums or those who want a softer touch. Also, while the brush heads are effective, the ivory color might not appeal to everyone, especially if you're after a sleek, modern look. It's functional, but let's face it, denture care tools usually aren't glamorous. In terms of value for money, you get 144 brushes in one pack, which is quite a lot. Given the quality of the materials and the fact that they're easy to use, I'd say this pack offers great value, especially for those who prefer to replace their denture brushes regularly or for families who need a steady supply. Now, as far as alternatives go, there are definitely other denture brushes out there, some with softer bristles or more stylish designs. But for this price point, it's hard to beat the practicality and efficiency. If you're just looking for something that gets the job done without the extra frills, this is a solid choice. The build quality is quite durable. The handles are comfortable to hold, and while they're made from firm plastic, they don't feel flimsy. As for longevity, it's always important to replace your denture brushes regularly to avoid bacteria buildup. So the large pack here is perfect if you're someone who prefers to keep things fresh. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Now, I didn't have a direct experience with customer service from Medline, but considering the brand's reputation for reliable healthcare products, I'm confident they offer solid customer support should you need it. To wrap things up, the Medline Two-Sided Denture Brushes may not be the flashiest cleaning tool, but they do exactly what they promise: clean your dentures efficiently. I would recommend them to anyone who needs a practical, no-nonsense option for denture care. If you're after a reliable brush that will get the job done, this pack is a great choice. Thank you so much for watching, and if you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.